Select the phrase that makes the sentence better. Of the two, the oldest brother had a much more difficult time in school. A. The oldest brother. B. The older brother. C. The earliest brother. D. The best brother. And E. The better brother. The answer is B. The older brother. Select the phrase that makes the sentence better. Minerals are nutritionally significant elements that assist to make your body work properly. A. That assist to make your body. B. That help your body. C. That making your body. D. That work to make your body. Or E. That hinder your body to. The answer is B. That help your body. Blank mattresses contain many toxic substances, such as flame retardants, adhesives, and chemical foams, which are not present in natural latex rubber. Is the answer A, conventional, B, queen-sized, C, white, D, maximum, or E, significant? The answer is A, conventional. Natural fibers like organic cotton and bamboo are blank and blank without the use of harsh chemicals. Is the answer A, manufactured and deployed, B, woven and filtered, C, commissioned and forgotten, D, pilfered and used, or E, grown and processed? The answer is E, grown and processed. A building has a number of floors of equal height, as well as a 30-foot spire above them all. If the height of each floor in feet is h, and there are n floors in the building, which of the following represents the building's total height in feet? Is it A, n plus h plus 30, B, n times h plus 30, C, 30 times n plus h, or D, 30 times h plus n? The answer is B, n times h plus 30. Identify the vertex of the parabola given by the equation y is equal to 4 times x minus 3 squared minus 2. Is it A, negative 3 and negative 2, B, negative 3, 4, C, 3, negative 2, or D, 4, negative 2? The answer is C, 3 and negative 2. Of the four functions listed here, which will increase in value the most between x is equal to 10 and x is equal to 20? Is it A, f of x is equal to 2 to the x power, B, g of x, which is equal to x squared, C, h of x, which is equal to 3x, or D, j of x, which is equal to the natural log of x? The answer is A, f of x, which is 2 to the x power. What makes the following equation true? Negative 3 times x is lesser than x plus 8. The answer is B, when x is greater than negative 2, but less than 0. Use the following passage to answer the next two questions. Scientists disagree about the benefits of adaptations of many different animals. Two scientists discuss one adaptation of the fish of the coral reef. Scientist number 1. The brilliant display of colors of the fish of the coral reef, scarlet, rose, and yellow, turquoise, emerald, and dozens of others, serve as camouflage for the fish living in the color complexity of the reef. We are incorrect if we analyze fish coloration by human eye standards. Things look very differently from fish's point of view. Fish cannot discern the yellow-green color family with the particularity that the human eye can. So for example, a yellow trumpetfish nearly matches the green of the average coral reef, and the blue of the blue and yellow angelfish matches the bluish backgrounds a fish sees when looking into the distance in deep water. We need to understand the camouflage effect by how the fish see the world. Scientist number 2. In fish, as with many other animal species, such as peacocks, butterflies, snakes, etc., the brilliant colors of the body are there to be seen and paid attention to. The bright colors might send flaunting messages, come-ons to potential mates, or warnings to possible predators that the fish has distasteful or toxic flesh. It has also been suggested that the bright and varied colors might act as a kind of ecosystem color coding that lets all the fish species that share a reef keep track of who is who. According to scientist number 1, which of the following is true? A. Fish don't care about color differences. B. Fish aren't threatened by color differences. C. Fish perceive color differently than humans. Or D. Fish aren't attracted to color differences. The answer is C. Fish perceive color differently than humans. Which of the following phrases best describe the major point of difference between the two scientists' viewpoints? Is it A. Adaptations in many different animals? B. The function of coloration in coral reef fish? C. The fish of the coral reef? Or D. The different colors of coral reef fish? The answer is B. The function of coloration in coral reef fish. Which of the following substances allows for the fastest diffusion? Is it A. Gas, B. Solid, C. Liquid, or D. Plasma? The answer is A. Gas. What is the name of the process by which a eukaryotic cell nucleus divides? Is it A. Mitosis, B. Meiosis, C. Replication, or D. Fission? The answer is A. Mitosis. Use the following passage to answer the next question. 2 recent studies have indicated that caffeine may reduce beta amyloid, a protein that is a sign of Alzheimer's disease when found in sticky clumps. The studies followed 55 mice, which showed signs of memory loss at an age equivalent to 70 human years. The studies followed 55 mice, which showed signs of memory loss at an age equivalent to 70 human years. Half of the mice received no caffeine. The other half received the mouse equivalent of 5 8-ounce cups of coffee. The half of the mice that received the coffee recovered from their memory loss and had memories the equivalent of mice without dementia. The findings suggest that caffeine could be more than just a protective strategy to avoid Alzheimer's, but also a treatment for those with the disease. Caffeine also has a number of benefits as treatment. It is generally safe for most people, enters the brain easily, and appears to affect the disease directly. Question number 5. According to the passage, which of the following is not a benefit of caffeine as treatment? A. It enters the bloodstream easily. B. It generally is safe for most people. C. It appears to affect the disease directly. Or D. It enters the brain directly. The answer is A. It enters the bloodstream easily.